Just put an egg on a tomato, and you will be surprised. To start our recipe, I will start taking 3 tomatoes, take the top, stir this part because we will use, then I will remove the middle part of the tomato with a knife and a spoon. Now I will take 100 grams of mozzarella, I will cut half into small pieces, this way. The other half of mozzarella I will grate. This recipe has already become routine here at home, I'm sure it will become routine in your home as well. Now I will chop a little bit of chives to taste, but this part is optional, you can use the amount you want, will give a special flavor in the recipe. Then I will put a little olive oil in a pan to grease. Now I will add the top that I cut the tomatoes, will serve as a basis for recipe. Then I'm gonna put the tomatoes without the middle on top of the base, like this. Now I'm going to put some of the chopped chives inside the tomatoes. Then I'll put the pieces of cheese cut, I'll put a piece in each tomato, but if you want you can put more. Next I will add an egg inside each tomato, season with salt and black pepper to taste and add the rest of the chives. And before I forget, tell me which city you're watching so I can send you a special hug. Today's hug goes to Shedran Alesh of New Guinea. I'm glad you're enjoying our recipes. Next, I will add a little mayonnaise to taste over our recipe.cc. Now I will add the grated mozzarella. Tell me if you have any differentiated recipe with tomato, I would love to know. Finally, I will take to the oven in 390 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 minutes. After the time is ready, our recipe, look how beautiful it was. Now just serve and enjoy this delight. It has become one of my favorite recipes since the first time I tried it, now I don't stop making it. And my friends always ask me to teach how to make this amazing recipe so delicious, that is the result. People, I love this recipe, I'm sure you and all your family will like it too. I do it myself every weekend, and when I do nothing, my family loves it and asks me to do it forever. This recipe is amazing, it's fast, easy, healthy, goes few ingredients, and best of all, it's delicious. There's no reason for you not to do it in your home. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thank you so much for watching this video so far. I'll see you in the next video, bye.